What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming to WeCast. We are continuing the Crush City lineup. This is the brand new size of the Crush City Mare swim bait. This is going to be a 3.5-inch bait. This is by far one of the best swim bait, at least natural swim bait profiles that I have seen out there. Of course, if you're familiar with threadfin shad, some of those smaller gizzards as well, they're very, very skinny. And that's something this mare has that a lot of other baits don't have. You can tell just the way it is. I mean, when you look at it, it's a very tall profile, but it swims great in the water on just a standard ball head, an EWG, something like a Titan Rider, Titan Diver hook, Beast hook style. You can do a lot of different things with this. Now, this bigger size is going to be great, really, really good on something like a swing head, wobble head, as well as, of course, your standard ball heads and EWGs. One way that you might not have rigged a swim bait like this is actually on a Carolina rig. And when the shad spawn, as well as the tail end, like the post spawn, this is a great bait on a Carolina rig, giving you a little bit different action as you pull it along. That tail is still going to be kicking. What's cool about the Crush City lineup, if you're not familiar with it, is that they are all salted and weighted a little bit differently. From the mare to, of course, the Super TPE has very minimal salt, to the freeloaders. Y'all, I'm talking, this guy has a decent amount of salt. Not the highest, not the lowest, but it is very, very durable. You can go through a lot of different fish. If you aren't using a keeper, a bait keeper that has the hooks, I mean, this will last a very, very long time. One I would highly recommend in the VMC lineup is going to be the brand new tungsten ball head. It uses just a little, I don't even know what to call it, like a little resin bump out that will hold this bait on extremely, extremely well. I love how they included a little hook slot right in the middle. So if you do miss left to right, you can easily pop it in, pop it back out right where you need it. I love the little split belly. It doesn't go all the way up into the bait, so it gives you enough meat to actually have that bait keeper grab onto. Really, really neat stuff, and I love how the tail is actually angled just slightly back, allowing you to slow roll this bait at much slower speeds than a lot of the competitors. And really, really cool stuff coming out from Crush City Rapala. Thanks for watching, guys, and thanks for coming to WeCast.